Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by signing into Roblox on desktop or opening Roblox Studio. This ensures you control account level and client settings. Once signed in, open account settings and navigate to privacy and security. You see camera, photos, and capture permission toggles. These are what enable photo capture. Toggle them off to stop client screenshots or in-game capture. Make sure to save changes and close extra browser tabs so the client reloads fresh. This first step prevents new captures immediately. Once done with account settings, open Roblox Studio and load the game you control. Game-level permissions can override account defaults. Go to Game Settings, then Security and File Access, and set Allow Camera Access, File Upload, and Screenshot APIs to off. If your experience uses plugins or community models, inspect each plugin's permissions and disable camera/file access or remove the plugin. Doing this stops in-game scripts and tools from capturing images, which is why you must check both accounts. To finish, publish your game and test in a private server while signed into the account you changed. Confirm the capture options are no longer available. If captures still occur, clear the Roblox cache and restart the client, because cached permissions can persist. Make sure to inspect any remaining scripts for screenshot service or custom capture functions and remove or sandbox them. If a plugin or third-party tool caused it, uninstall and retest. Troubleshoot by isolating components until the capture stops.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.